seen all the other nature documentaries, but you haven't seen anything like this. This is nature, a nature documentary. Granola bars, money, and even natural gas are all part of nature. Man, the byproduct of nature. This is his domain, his version of nature. Air horn are natural. Watch as they are released in slow motion. Since the dawn of time, man has always felt the need to read and to write. This is an example of the prank. Unknown reasons our cameraman quit.
I'm getting paid to do this? Seriously? This is the most boring thing I've ever done in my life. I'm gonna do something with my life. I'm going to Taco Bell!
Unfortunately, that little dog died.
Ew, what's this on my foot? It's all black and hairy. Gross.
Nature liked our old president so much that it made a monument of them. But unfortunately, it is not like our latest presidents like George Bush, Obama, and even Bill Clinton. This has been Nature, a nature documentary. I'm your stuck-up British host, and this was Nature.